If you're over 60 and still buying protein powders, this will change everything. Your muscles aren't fading because you're getting older. They're fading because your body has lost the chemical signal that tells it to rebuild tissue. Doctors call this anabolic resistance. It simply means your muscle cells stop responding to protein the way they once did. That's why you can eat chicken, drink shakes, and still feel weaker month after month. A 2023 review of more than 3,000 adults over 60 found something important. Traditional high-protein diets barely slowed muscle loss unless very specific food triggers were present. These triggers wake up tiny repair cells called satellite cells. Think of them as your personal muscle repair crew. Without them, your body quietly recycles muscle for energy, especially at night. Here's what concerns me most. This loss doesn't start in your arms. It starts in your thighs, hips, and glutes. The muscles that let you climb stairs, stand from a chair, and keep your balance. But here's the encouraging news. There are simple, everyday foods that can help reactivate those muscle rebuilding signals even after 60. In this video, I'll share 5 foods that support muscle health better than most supplements. Stay with me because number 2 was discovered during a hospital trial where seniors improved leg strength in just weeks. The scientific sources are listed in the description. Before we start, tell me in the comments, what country are you watching from? I read and reply to every single one. Number 5 is Greek yogurt with live cultures. Greek yogurt contains leucine, an essential amino acid that acts like a switch for muscle protein synthesis. The leucine concentration in Greek yogurt is nearly triple what you'll find in regular yogurt. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed adults over 60 who consumed 1 cup daily supported their muscle health significantly better than those who didn't. The live cultures also support your gut health, which may enhance how well you absorb protein from everything else you eat. For best results, enjoy it within 30 minutes after any physical activity, even just walking or gardening. Mix 1 cup of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt with honey and walnuts for a complete muscle-supporting snack. Number 4 is wild-caught salmon. Wild salmon contains omega-3 fatty acids called EPA and DHA. These don't just reduce inflammation, they support the cellular structures that maintain muscle function as we age. A study of 2,500 adults over 65 found those eating wild salmon twice a week showed significantly better muscle maintenance than those who didn't. What makes wild-caught superior to farm-raised is astaxanthin, that pink-red pigment from eating krill and shrimp. It's remarkably effective at protecting muscles from oxidative stress. Cook salmon at low temperatures. Poaching or baking at 275 degrees Fahrenheit preserves the omega-3s and makes the protein easier to digest. Now, if you're finding this helpful so far, take a moment to hit the like button. It helps more seniors discover these tips. And subscribe so you don't miss videos like this. Number 3 is organic free-range eggs. Eggs contain choline, which helps your nerves communicate with your muscle fibers. Without proper choline, your brain can't tell your muscles to contract efficiently. The protein in eggs has what scientists call 100% biological value. Your body can use every amino acid without waste. A 5-year Australian study of 800 adults over 65 found those eating 2 eggs daily maintained significantly better muscle function than those avoiding eggs due to outdated cholesterol concerns. The yolks contain B12, selenium, and phosphorus that specifically support muscle health. Throwing away the yolk means throwing away nearly half the protein and all the muscle-supporting nutrients. For best absorption, soft-boiled or poached eggs work better than overcooked scrambled eggs. Bring water to a boil, remove from heat, add eggs, and let sit for 7 minutes. Number 2 is the combination of quinoa with black beans. This one surprised researchers. Quinoa is the only grain with all 9 amino acids. When combined with black beans, something beneficial happens. The proteins complement each other perfectly. A Brazilian study of 1,200 older adults found those eating this combination 3 times weekly showed better muscle maintenance than a group eating chicken breast. The researchers rechecked their data multiple times before publishing. The magnesium in this combination is essential for muscle contraction, yet 80% of adults over 60 don't get enough of it. Rinse quinoa thoroughly, then cook it in bone broth instead of water. Use 1 cup cooked quinoa to 3/4 cup black beans, seasoned with turmeric and black pepper to enhance the anti-inflammatory benefits. We've covered 4 powerful foods, but the number 1 food on this list may surprise you. It's affordable, available everywhere, and works while you sleep. Number 1 is cottage cheese. What makes cottage cheese unique is the type of protein, casein. Unlike whey that enters your bloodstream quickly and disappears, casein digests slowly, delivering amino acids for up to 7 hours. A 2012 study in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise found seniors who ate casein protein before bed had 22% higher overnight muscle protein synthesis. That means while they slept, their bodies were rebuilding muscle tissue. Consider George, 70, who relied on protein shakes but complained about bloating. After switching to cottage cheese at night with fruit, his morning stiffness eased within weeks and his walks got longer. 1 container of cottage cheese provides more sustained muscle support than expensive powders, without additives or artificial sweeteners. So there you have it. 5 foods that support muscle health after 60. Greek yogurt for leucine. Wild salmon for omega-3s, eggs for complete protein, quinoa and black beans for plant-based power, and cottage cheese for overnight repair. These aren't exotic superfoods. They're affordable, available at any grocery store, and backed by solid research. Which of these foods do you already eat? Which one surprised you most? Tell me in the comments. Your experience could help another senior watching today. If this was helpful, please like this video and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe to Senior Health Compass for calm, practical guidance each week. Your muscles support your independence. Feed them wisely, and they'll carry you strong for years to come. This content is for general education and is not medical advice. If you have symptoms or medical conditions, please talk with your clinician.